Hi again. So it got cut off. So real quick, yeah, good job overall. All right, I'll stop there for that. Last thing. Um, if you want to revise your essay, you can revise the first three essays. So the summary, the industrial analysis, and the diet reflection essay. You will be able to revise those and turn them in again. If you want to do that, make sure you substantially revise. If you want more feedback to do that, let me know through email and I will give you feedback, okay, through Canvas. When you submit those revisions, I will ask you to submit it on the original assignment page where you submitted it, okay? When you do that, I'll ask you to leave comments, okay? What I want to know is, how did you revise your essay? What did you do to change the essay, make it better? Okay. When I teach face-to-face classes, I always request that my students submit their graded draft with their revised draft, so I can look as I'm grading and see what you've actually done. A lot of the times people just make minor changes, doesn't really make your grade better. So make sure you're substantially revising if you want to revise. But I also, something I do in my face-to-face classes is I have my students write a cover letter for their revisions, letting me know what exactly they changed, what they changed, why they think it's stronger or better now. So if you can leave comments when you submit your revision, telling me what you've done to revise it, why you think it's now more deserving, perhaps, of a better grade, that would really help. Okay, so do that for me. And that's it. Yeah, again, have a good week. Talk to you soon.